So here guys, I'm happy, it arrived. I just got it today. I just ordered online last 6/6 June promo at TikTok. You know what, sometimes I'm having this hesitation to order online because, sometimes it has, damage or whatsoever. But I got it, the green one. I'm gonna use it to our out of town for, Calaguas with my son next weekend po. So I got it, very good. Ang ganda po ng quality niya, proven, and then it's so rubberized, no damage, perfectly guys. It's worth it. You know how much is this? It's just 1,100 free shipping fee because I got this in the promo at the sale 6/6 of TikTok. Then I'm gonna open guys to you what is inside. This is very rubberized, yeah, because I have my old I need to order this one because, instead of hassle bringing a lot of things, I just better one of this because one of my luggage just, someone broke it, so I got new one. So it's good. So look at that guys. It's so bendable. Oh. Ganda. Matibay talaga siya, worth it. It's 24 inches I think. So I want a little bigger than it. Maybe when I'm going to travel abroad, I'll be needing more the bigger one for, for all our things. But so far it's enough na just going to out of town or beach next Thursday. I'm so excited. Thank you Lord for this favor so much. Napaka-buti ng Panginoon. Kapag talaga you became faithful, especially in tithing, ibabalik talaga ng Lord sa iyo unexpected way. So sobrang ganda. Thank you. Island Elephant, I got it. I'm so proud because this is legit so much. It is all worth it. Less hassle in buying it and then, perfect, no damage. Bye-bye. You guys, you can order. I'm gonna post it to my TikTok and if you want, just check it or, hey, I might or not, so at least take yours now. I love you guys.